In this video, I'm going to give a brief tutorial on how to download TaxTron T2 for a Mac machine. First, you're going to head to our website taxtron.ca and navigate to the product section and select T2 Mac. Next, you're going to click on the single license and then scroll down until you find the Download It for Free button. You're then going to scroll down and click Download TaxTron for Mac. Keep in mind our software is supported by macOS 10.9 or higher. Once the .dmg file is done downloading, you can then open it. Double-click the TaxTron setup icon, click OK, and then follow the instructions on the screen. Select your language, accept the terms of service, select the install path, and install. Your TaxTron T2 Netfile software has now been successfully downloaded. For more information, you can check out our website or take a look at some of our other videos. Thanks for watching.